Okay, boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix-Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling y'all that, but y'all know that already. Yes, about 7 people. So, yeah, what we're going to do? We want to touch base on this Bandman situation in Jamaica where, he was caught live on Instagram Live. I'm speaking, getting into a car accident. You see what I said? But, I'm have to let off a couple bands to get out these situations. Listen, man, I say, cause say a big fish this, big food this, you see me. And, the police in Jamaica and as well as the citizens have been waiting for times like this. You know what I mean? In America, they call it the early Christmas or birthday present. You see me, I say. But let's take a look at this video and see if it could have been, this accident could have been avoided. And this is the dangers about being on your phone, Instagram Live. While operating, a couple ton vehicle, you see me, I say, it's quite dangerous, you see me. So let's take a look at the accident and the rest and proceed.
Jamaica! Oh, put on some Jamaica music. Put me in the spirit. Man, this goofy ass taxi man just honked the horn at a nigga. And I don't really know how to drive real good out here, y'all, so bear with me. Bear with me. Hold on. That's Jamaica. Hold on. And we deep as hell. We like 4 cars deep. This phone number, what they turning? This them? Ride this bitch. Folks. Wrong side of the road. Why this shit feel so awkward? What the fuck is that? Hey, why I try to get like a BMW or a Lamborghini out here, boy, they do not got that shit. I was like, man, y'all don't got no BMWs or no Lamborghinis or nothing, folks. I gotta ride in this weak ass car. They like, yeah, well, Look at the police, folks. Look at them. They thirsty as hell. Huh. He look like he wanna stop a nigga. He look like he wanna stop. Damn, look. I ain't gonna lie, we gotta tear all this down, folks. Later on, we gotta tear all this down. Oh no, we got to. Little thotties out here acting bad. They acting bad. Hey, you see how the police? Hey, you see how the police look, folks? That ma, he look like. What do they have a camera for? What are they doing in there? So this gang them right here, right in front of me. What the fuck? What was that? Did he just bag up? Did he hit my motherfucking window? Us bagged up on some weird shit. Bro, like, man, fuck that mom. You talking about we hit a car, we can't drive. Is the car fucked up or what? Damn, man. I'm gonna get the fuck home. ASAP. Shit. You talking about we hit a car, we can't drive. Damn, the nigga trying to open the door and say
Alright, we good here though.
No, we not. They closing the gate. Damn, shit, watch out. Fuck. We hit another car? We did? Damn, boy. Open that gate real quick, please. Can I record a video or no? Yeah. I'm right here. Come grab my bag. Sir, put down your camera. Can I record a video or no? Yeah. I'm right here. Come grab my bag. Sir, put down your camera.
I am coming. Yes, sir. Sir, I want to be.
Just come upstairs and then
So when you actually come outside, if you go around that side, where you see that big blue gate, you can actually see the rest of it.
So is one cell in the only room?
No, different cells.
Oh, wow. They can see outside?
Kind of.
Yeah, he looked like he was bugging the whole time driving his peoples, you feel me? And you know, Jamaica road is not a place to drive, even for the experience. You know what I mean? It's different out there, you feel me? Thank God nobody got hurt. You feel what I'm saying? If this was America, you know, the charges would have been a lot more serious. But this is Jamaica, the land of the pirates and the colonists. And you know, money is the order of the day. You feel me? This is why Jada Chaves, you know, her gun charges was dropped. You feel me? After, you know, rings and some palms and all of these stuff. You feel what I'm saying? We don't have to go back in that history. But, you know, she came out, you know, dissing up her lawyers and, you know, the judges and all that, saying that they only wanted some money. You feel me? But let's give me that update while I go on for not to go on with Bandman Kevo. You see me? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest and dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Peace.